morning everybody, welcome back to the lab. Today we're learning to write the letter U. This is the cursive video, which is joined up writing. If you don't do joined up writing, head over to my print playlist and you'll find the non-joined up letter U. Right, let's get started. First of all, we trace it. Then we copy it. Don't forget to practice this as much as you need to make sure that it starts to feel easy. Then we cover it up, no peeking. See if you can remember how to write it. And then finally, my favourite bit, put your pen in the start position, close your eyes, and yes, I've got my eyes closed, and have a go at writing it. That's not too bad. Fantastic. Just keep writing it, keep practicing it as much as you need to before you go on to this next step, which is learning to write the letter U on a line. So as with all of the letters we've been practicing so far, U is a middle zone letter. It sits halfway between the bottom and the top line, and I've got my middle zone shaded. So I'm just going to show you this. This is how we write it on a line. So we start at the bottom line, we go up to the middle zone, then down, up, down, and flick. Now, the reason U needs to stay within the middle zone is because if we don't do that, look at this. If I let it go right up into the upper zone, touching that top line, what does it look like? It looks like a double L. So it's so important to keep that U within the middle zone. So start with your pen on the line, go up to the middle zone, down and around, up, down and flick. So up, down and around, up, down and flick. When that starts to feel easier, it's time to do our challenge. And for that, you are going to say the letter sound and the letter name. So O is U. O is U. O is U. And just keep going until you get to the end of the line. Now it's time for you to be the teacher. Which one of your U's do you think looks the best? Have a really good look at yours. I'm going to look at mine. And when you've found it, give it a tick. I'm going to tick this one. Now, the other thing that I just wanted to show you very quickly, just to give you an example about what I mean. I know I've shown you this one here, but if I write the name of one of my favourite places, Hull, you don't have to do this, but if you just watch. So here we go. It's a name, so we start it with a capital letter. Then we've got the U or the U. But then at the end we've got the double L. And this is why when you're writing a U or an U, you need to make sure that it's smaller and is only as tall as that middle zone, because otherwise it will look like two L's. Now for bonus points, if you want to, you can have a go at writing that word Hull, and see how you get on. Thanks for joining me today in Vicky's Learning Lab, and I will see you again next week. Bye.